Hi guys, we are talking today about Samsung Galaxy Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 reviewed a new leak. This is one of the smartphones that I don't use it, but I I think I will never use this smartphone. Just a minute. I had to stop because my dog started boring because my dog is insane when someone try to reach him and he start to barking. So let's go. Samsung Z Fold is one of the more expensive smartphones available nowadays, and in Brazil, it's it costs a lot. In Brazil, it's 10,000 money for us, 10,000 reais, and it's too expensive. And Z Fold 3 will be more expensive, and it will be the Flip 3 as well. The Flip 3 look like the Motorola Razr phone, and is one of the phone that everyone like to take and see how it works, and it will be good. And but not everyone will like to have this and expend the money to have one of these because this even be secure. You use this, and if you let it fall on the ground or you have a key on your pocket and you put the phone there, the screen is not glass, it's plastic, and it can broke easily if you don't be care with this. If you don't take care of your expensive phone, it can broken easily. And I don't think it will be a thing you see everyone using. Oh my God, it's the future. I don't think it's the future. I just think they are trying to reach the future, but they don't reach that yet. There are a lot of things they have to improve to achieve the best smartphone foldable. And we can see the Flip 3. It's kind of better than Fold 3 because the Flip 3 you can make it smaller on your pocket. And the Z Fold, other other side, they are huge. And when you put in your pocket, it look like a block of something, of a box of smartphone. You don't are using a smartphone, you are using a box of a smartphone on your pocket because it's a huge smartphone, and I don't think it will be a smartphone that you sells a lot. And I even know how much it will cost because they don't want to say this because everyone knows it will be expensive. And I rather have a Realme GT with the cheapest Snapdragon 8088 because it's one of the best, cheapest smartphone in the world nowadays than having a Galaxy Fold or a Galaxy Z Flip. That's what I think. If you liked what I talked to you now, you can participate with me every stream I'm doing once a week on GTech Live channel. And you can go there, click on the link on the description and subscribe in our channel. And when I'm live, you can go there and participate with me. This clip is on GTech Knowledge channel where I have a lot of others uh, videos, review videos here. And I also have a YouTube channel in Brazil with 130,000 subscribers And there I just speak Portuguese. Here I'm talking to you in English because I like to see the news in English and share with you and know what you all think about that. Okay? So that's it. See you guys on the next clip.